A lot of my subscribers has reached out to me asking me to teach them, show them how to create their PayPal accounts, and some even went as far as asking me to open their PayPal accounts. Now I understand, I feel you, I understand, I totally understand. I was once like this, like when I started taking surveys. You see your money in survey site and there's no how for you to cash them out. Okay, that's number one. Then number two is people who hasn't started taking survey and thinking that, oh, because I don't have a PayPal account, let me not start. You are very wrong. If you have the knowledge to take survey, you can take your survey. There's definitely a way for you to cash out your money without you having a PayPal. That method is called PayPal to PayPal. Okay, now for those that have been asking me to help them create PayPal accounts, now PayPal is a private and personal account. Nobody can create it for you. You have to create it yourself. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we go into creating that PayPal account, there's something you need to know. Now, before creating your PayPal account, you need to have a bank account, because PayPal, you have to link your PayPal to a bank account where you can cash your money down to before getting it down to you. Do you understand? Now, because we are not creating a Nigerian PayPal account, we are creating a UK PayPal account. You need to get a UK bank account, right? So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your UK bank account. Do you understand? So you need to get that account. So I know there are people that are using Clasher, GPay, Gray. Okay, I use Gray. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your UK account number using the Gray app. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amogos Concept and I'm back to another beautiful information. If today is the first time tuning in, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about YouTube growth and monetization, growth hacks, and we also teach you how to take profitable surveys and make money online. I do it. So trust me when I say I can teach you. Okay, so if this is something you're interested in learning, just subscribe to this channel, share this content, like this video, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my content when I drop them. Now you may be wondering, oh, I don't live in the UK. How will I now put my money in a UK bank account, in a pounds account? Don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to transfer that money from your Gray account down to your OPay, Zenith, Sky Bank, whatever bank you use. Okay, I'm going to also teach you how to get that money down to your local bank account. So you need to pay close attention to this video and don't miss any part of it so that you don't miss anything. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to our Play Store, then we search for Gray. Type it the way I'm typing it. So that's it there. These two arrows facing each other. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on download and download it. Okay, so I'm downloading and I'm waiting for it to load. So the reason I say you should create Gray before you create PayPal is because it is the information you have in your Gray account. That is what you're going to use to create your PayPal, so that you will not have any issue when it comes to getting your money or linking your account, or maybe after linking your account you have an issue. So it's done uploading now. So I'll go ahead and open it. So we'll start doing the setup. I prefer using Gray. Some people use GPay, some people use Clasher, but I prefer using Gray. So you click on get started and then you choose your country. Okay, there are other countries there. If you drop down that arrow, you will see other countries that are there, but I'm filming from Nigeria, so I'll choose Nigeria, then I continue. So proceed. So I need all my Nigerian documents to fill this up, like maybe your driver's license or your national ID card or your international passport or your driver's license, whichever one you have. You just need them for this. So I'll go in with my first name. Okay, so this is very, very important, because the way you fill your information here is the same way you're going to fill it in PayPal. Now the thing, if you want to fill your PayPal, when we get to that PayPal, I will tell you, but because we're starting from here, let me just say it. So in Gray, you're going to need
three name. I wanted to use two name before, because in PayPal they will only collect that first and the second name, your first and the last name. So but Gray wants the three name the way it is on your passport. So I fill my first name, I fill the middle name, and then the last name, I fill it. But when you're filling your PayPal, you only need your first name and your last name. Okay, then I choose my gender, then I input my email address. Now for this email address, because it is not my account, it is my husband's own, I didn't know which of the email he might want to use. So after filling his name, I tried to fill the email address I thought would be the one, but I was kind of, am I right or am I wrong? So I later took the phone to him to help me fill the correct email address, and so this is me trying to put the one I thought was correct. So I later took the phone to him and he put the correct email address. So it is like this because it is not my own account. Had it been any of my students came to my house for me to do this for them, it would have been easier, because it's at night, as in late night, after all the house chores, prayer section and everything. I just begged him for us to do this thing, so I was going to wake him up to help me to help me answer one question or the other. Okay, even during the facial recognition, because you have to do that one before you can create your foreign accounts. So he has filled it, then I enter his phone number. So this is exactly how you're going to fill your own. Please don't make any mistake, because I have a lot of DMs of people that has been crying. They have one problem or the other, or they cannot link the account, or the account the link is not working. And if you have money in your PayPal and you have any issues with your accounts, your money might be OT low. So you have to be very, very careful to do the right thing from the first time. That is why we're doing this Gray first. So I go in with his phone number, and after that I click on continue. The continue is taking time to respond, but eventually, so it's loading, take us to the next page. So after that, I'll put my password, I create my password, impute it. Then they sent me a code. They will send you a code in your email. You just go there, get it. I'm showing you because there's no risk. It expired in few minutes. The code expires in few minutes. So I got the code, went back, impute the code. I imputed the code. Then they will ask you, what do you want to use Gray for? Then I choose. You can pick, and then make sure you choose get a virtual card. Yes, choose that one. Then get a foreign account to receive payments. Save and hold my funds in foreign account. Yes. So this is the phone. Okay, I think I chose this dollar-based investment. Yes, you may not choose up to 4, okay, but just make sure you choose this foreign account to receive payments. Is very, very important. Then when you're done with that, just continue. It will ask you to set in pin, 4-digit pin. Okay, so I went in with my pin. Okay, that one I don't have to show you. I did it off the camera. So after creating the pin, I logged in. Yeah, this is how the interface looks like. So I logged in with my pin and I finished setting up my account. Voila, welcome to Gray. So this is my Gray account now. I have my Gray account. So the next step will be to, so they'll ask you to enable location service. I don't want to do that yet. So if you don't want to do that, you can choose I'll do this later. It can still work. So I didn't enable it. Okay, every time you log into Gray, they will keep asking you this question. Okay, so see, our account is open. So now when you get to this point, scroll this arrow down and choose pounds account to keep it permanent. It was something I didn't do while creating this account, and I went ahead to create a US account, which is not bad, but what we wanted to create is a pounds account. So look at it, the US is automatically there, so you choose the pounds account to come up first, because when you create this account, they will automatically ask you to open account, and if you're not looking, you will go and create a US account. Okay, So I opened the US account, but before I open the account, they will tell you to verify, okay? And what you need complete this KYC verification. This will enable you send money globally, get a US virtual card, swap between currencies, create your unique grid tag. So these are all the things you'll be able to do after you verify your account. So I will just click on, I want to do it now, so I'll click on begin KYC verification. So when you open it, this is what they will request from you, okay? Then you enter your name. After you enter this name, okay, then after you enter your full name number, so look at what I was telling you, get a US bank account, because it was automatically selected there, okay? You have to change it to Europe, you have to change it to UK. Do you understand? So but if you're doing US survey, it's fine, you can link a US account, but we are going to link a UK account. So I have started the process of getting my number. So this is the first step. They will ask me for my work information. I click on it, then I click I'm a freelancer, because it's small money that I'll be entering, £5, £20, okay? So I will fill all these things. I'm trying to look for my occupation. It's not here, but there are so many occupations, so many occupations are here. If you don't see your own, you can search for it, okay? So it was still loading and my profession didn't come up, though it wasn't, I wanted the whole occupation is construction, because he is a safety officer in a construction firm. So I didn't see safety, so I choose construction. I went in with his they will ask you for your LinkedIn link, so I put it and the account was created. So you see my British pounds account is now working. So I will click down now to show you the bank information. This is the information that we need to create our PayPal, to link our account to our PayPal. Please don't go and link a Nigerian account to that PayPal. PayPal has not fully started working in Nigeria, okay? Somebody was in my DM yesterday asking me how she can link a Nigerian card to a PayPal. Please don't do that mistake, okay? So we have our pounds account now. So in the next video, we're going to be learning how you can create your PayPal, then how you can link your PayPal to your, how you can link your your pounds account to your PayPal, to your PayPal account, so that when you get paid from survey site, you cash it down to your PayPal account, and from your PayPal account you send it to your Gray, and when it's in your Gray, you can convert it.
So guys, this is exactly how you can create your pounds account, okay? This is exactly how to create your pounds account. So the next thing we're going to be learning is how you can link this your bank account to your PayPal, okay, after we create the PayPal account. So watch out for my next video. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create that your PayPal account that you've been burning to learn, that you've been always wanting to learn. I'm going to teach you in the next video, okay? This is the first step, okay? Let's take it one step at a time. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share, so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.